Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday. It's Naomi here. If this is your first time seeing this gorgeous girl, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Right, so I have been making a lot of hairstyles like with my hair for the past 2-3 months now. And I don't think I have anyone dedicated on this channel. And I've gotten quite a few comments of people asking me to post the longer videos. And I always feel bad because every time I edit like 30 minutes long of the videos, I always delete the longer version just because I battle with like low storage space on my phone and all that. So yeah, but today I decided to edit a longer version for you guys. It's a simple style. As at this time while I was filming the hairstyle, I had no idea what I wanted to do. Okay, I knew that I just did not want anything that has to do with center part because I've been wearing center parts for forever, like forever. Center part is my go-to, and all the strands of hair at the center part of my hair are broken off, and I'm left with a lot of flyaways. And so I'm like, you know what, let's do some side part. Let's do a side swoop. Side swoop is something that also flatters my face, and because I don't have a lot of hair at the front of my head, so which is why I always hide and do center parts. I realized that side swoop can also cover my bald areas in front of my hair. So this is the only side of my head that I have a bit of baby hairs. So yeah, and that's why I always put my side part on my right hand side. I don't know if I will look good putting it on my left hand side anyway, but yeah, that's the goal. So I'm going to put the hair in a low ponytail or a low pony, just like that. I'm going to let my hair fall down. Now mind you, I have about 2 months now? It's going to 3 months. It's going to 3 months worth of undergrowth. So that's why my hair is swollen up, and yeah, it's been very difficult to it's been very difficult to manage the hair. But thankfully, I've been doing a good job. Like, I'm so proud of myself. You guys, you need to see how I take care of this hair. Like, I feel like this is, I don't know, Sha, but let me know. But I'm saying that it's not easy to manage undergrowth. If you know what I'm talking about, please let me know in the comments. So yeah, I really do not want to rush in and go and get a relaxer until I feel like I have enough new growth. I think I already have enough. I don't know why I'm still stalling, but yeah, I might get it soon, and I'll definitely let you guys know when I do. Okay, so yeah, I'm just trying to see what looks good, and now I'm going to proceed to do my baby hairs. I don't know how you people do this, but I'm just going to try and whip up something that looks nice. Anytime I'm doing my hair or styling my hair, I always go for what is comfortable, what looks good, what feels good, and definitely what I like. So those are the four things I really put in mind when I'm trying to style my hair. I don't really look at what other people are doing. I might be inspired, but if I feel like I'll be manipulating my hair too much, I just don't do it. I always opt for something easy and that just makes life easy for me. I beg, I cannot guarantee myself. That ponytail, I only went round the knot about 2 times. I'm not going to do it like 3 times or 4 times. What did happen? I'm not going to give myself a headache. So no, hell no. Just 2 times, it's okay for me. But if you're doing this, I don't know, whatever works for you anyway. Yeah, so I went off camera to do my makeup real quickly, and now I'll be doing final touches to the hair. Look at me looking so pretty. So I'm just using this comb to do the side swoop, make sure that it looks cool. Some of the flyaways are still disturbing me in my face. I don't know. Yeah, so I'll do that for a minute or two, and yeah, then I'll just start modeling for you, like giving all that finesse and beautiful girl vibe. You know what I mean. The next step is to add a bit of concealer to the side part so that it looks sharp on camera and it doesn't look like it's dull. And as you can see, I have to hold my undergrowth to the side so that I can really see the line. And please, if you're doing this, ensure to blend the concealer out. Don't just leave it there. It's going to look gross. Okay, mind you, use a concealer that is your shade exactly, and blend with your fingers, blend with the brush until you can almost not see it, or you think it's coming from your scalp. So yeah, look at that, so pretty, so pretty. Now I don't own one of those hairsprays. If not, I would have used it here. I don't own anyone yet until I buy, but until then we're going to rock our hair like this. I think it looks good. It's just fresh and beautiful. Look at my smile, look at my hair now, you guys. I can't stop touching my hair. So pretty. Oh my god, what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. And if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Please give this video a big thumbs up. That's how I know you love to see this type of videos. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.